What we're going to work on today is we're going to do a fog light upgrade. This is your factory fog lights. This is going to be the upgraded kit. This will be the SAE wide version. This one's about 4 times brighter than your factory fog lights, and we have a high-powered version, and it's going to be pretty good too. It's I want to say roughly about 8 times the number of lumens from your factory one, but the patterns are different from here. This is going to give you a good cutoff line for driving. That way you don't blind anybody. It's still way brighter than your factory fog lights. The other one's going to be more of a flood option. It's still pretty wide, but you will throw light in the other drivers' faces whenever you are driving. Guys, I forgot to tell you at the beginning of this video, you'll get the pods with the wiring harness. We did modify this harness. The harness you'll get will have another wire coming out here that's for a backlit option. You do not have to hook it up whatsoever for these to work or anything. It's just an accessory you can add to it. You do have to tap into some kind of DRL 12 volt source for that. If you did want to do that, a good spot for you to tap into would be that side marker light over there. On this truck, we're not going to do that just because it's a brand new truck and we don't want to tap into any wires. Alright guys, so we're going to get back in here and we're going to get this fog light installed. It's 3 7mm screws holding it in. I'll go back in here and show you one more time. 1, 2, and 3. And then your plug's right there. So Chris is going to go ahead and get them 7mm out real quick with, looks like an extension, a wobble, and a 7mm. You will not need all that if you just took your tire off to do this, but you can do this without taking off your tire to make your life a little easier. Guys, Chris got the factory light out. He's about to install, he's about to install the upgraded diode dynamics LED pod version with our custom in-house made bracket that we had mold injected. Alrighty, let's see what she looks like when he puts it in there. Bam. There's going to be 2 little notches in there, alignment pins that you're going to line it up with. Once you get it aligned in there, it'll kind of just sit in there, and then you can put your 7mm in there. There it goes. It's all nice and lined up now. Man, that looks so good. Alright, he's going to put those 7mm in there, plug it back up, and after that, he will test the light just to make sure everything's good. And once everything's good, we'll take these torque screws right here and put that fender liner back in and enjoy driving at night now. Alright guys, that's what that pod should look like installed in there, plugged up. If you want, you can take a zip tie and zip tie that extra little harness up. It's not going to hurt anything. It's not that long. If you don't, now we're going to go ahead and get the light and zip it all up.